Hello guys, welcome back. So today is on Wednesday, and today I have bad news and good news. I just decided to start with the good news first, then we go as a process. So today is on Wednesday. Yesterday was on Tuesday and Monday. Monday I did not take any trade. Yesterday I had exam. I could not take any. I could not trade yesterday. Today also I did not have any exam, so I decided to maybe look for a setup to enter. So today I entered on a good setup, but I had a win today and I had a loss at the same time. So let me just show you. So I took two trades, one of the accounts, one on one of my accounts and another one on the other account. So today you see what the market did to me in the euro today. Just market was going well, then it just decided to reverse. I don't know why. There was no news, there was no anything. When I entered the market, it just consolidated here for a while, then it distributed, went for a 1-to-1. I was targeting first the liquidities. So because the market is in a consolidation in the higher time frame, I just decided maybe let me just target the liquidities and maybe enter on a continuation, not just catch the lows or the highs. So today, you see there was this high. That was my first target. My second target was this relative equal highs here, and the last target was this. But I just put my stop loss a little bit below the high. So the euro first had a very high resistance. Let me just start with the euro. So in the reason why I entered first, my model is SMT. I have to see an SMT in the market. There is a specific time that I target after the Asian session, which is the London session. So I use, as you can see here down here, I use the time frame of the New York, so which around 3 a.m. New York, that is when I think there is high volatility that is injected into the market. So around 3 here, I saw an SMT between the euro, the pound, the euro, and the dollar index. So I just waited for a distribution to the upside, then enter on a continuation, maybe break this highs, then it would be a good confirmation for me. I marked out this is a 15-minute inversion for Valigo. You see how the market just came, it did not even tap into the inversion for Valigo. Sorry. It did not really tap into the inversion for Valigo and just started to distribute. I entered here, market consolidated. I'm supposed to be studying for my exam, but when you are in a trade, you experience a lot of emotions. So market started to distribute. It went for a 1-to-1. I don't know what happened, but it just came back. Because it did not really distribute to our 1.5 trade, I did not break even on my account. So it just came, wicked me out and just distributed. It completely disrespected this inversion for value gap and just started to distribute to the upside. So going into the pound, I'll try to shorten this video, but just watch until the end. So the pound distributed did not really consolidate. I didn't even have any. I had a little to no drawdown in this trade. So it just distributed, came shy to my TP, then just retrace. You see, this is the retracement that you see in the euro, but this did not really retrace that much. There was this, I think it's a 4-hour, I think it's a 1 hour or a 4-hour inversion. You see, this is a consolidation. It made a higher low. This is the SMT. Consolidation manipulated it, took out Asian low, then just started to distribute. Marked out this inversion, but it did not really retrace into it. Just closed above it. That was a confirmation for me to enter. I entered, and the market just started to distribute. Consolidated for around 20 to 30 minutes, then just started to distribute. So yeah, when it retraced, market is now it's experiencing around high resistance. I took I took some partials somewhere here, then I just trailed my stop loss to around here. So the market is just still going. I just let the runner go. The other one was a loss, but it happens. One of them went for my TP, and the other one just came and looked me up. But after the losses that I've taken the past few weeks, today was a good one. Nothing to complain really. If this market just came and took me out, it was a good setup. That doesn't mean it was a bad setup. It was a good setup for me. If you took any loss, that doesn't mean you don't know how to trade. It just means that maybe model did not really work that day. You see this liquidities. This is the dollar index. The dollar index made a lower high, which is an SMT. Distributed, left an inversion fair value gap. You see the retracements in the pound and the euro. This was the retracement. Just came to this. Now the dollar index really retraced into its inversion fair value gap. Then just started to distribute. So yeah, today I wouldn't. So I don't know what to call today because I took a loss and I took also a win. You see, it's taking these liquidities and just retracing a little bit, then continue taking this relative equal lows. Then it's going for maybe the old low here. We'll see what happens. Today, Trump is going to be speaking. He has a speech, so I don't know what will happen. Tomorrow I have exam, I won't trade. Friday is NFP. I don't think I will trade that day. So this might be the only trade that I'm taking this week. So yeah, I'll just show you the accounts. Sorry, the video is long. You see, I took 1% on the account that I was up. I was still up. I was targeting a 1 to 2, but the market is just continuing the upside. We'll see what happens. So I have traded my stop loss tightly. If it comes to take me out, I'll just close with around $200 in profit, which is 2% up. The other account, I'm in drawdown. I'll just try to recover it slowly. You see, I took a 0.5 trade in this account. Came and took me out, and then started to distribute the upside. So yeah, in this account, I'm down around 2.4%. So yeah, we'll see. You have a nice week, guys. Peace. Remember to please follow, subscribe if you are watching it on YouTube or any platform that you are watching this on. So yeah, you have a nice week, guys, and weekend. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is on Thursday. I tried taking a trade today and it went against me. I was trying to catch this continuation to the upside, so I could not really enter. I did not find any entry today. So today evening I was about to enter around here, but I saw there was news during 8:30. So I decided just to wait out the news to occur, then I'll see what the market is going to offer. So today I took a loss. I don't know, this market is just crazy. Today it has been moving just big ranges. You can see when you see here, you'll think I used a small stop loss, but I used a very big stop loss around around 40 pips stop loss. That's how much the news today's market was volatile. So I think the technicals is really hard to analyze with the market today. So I was just waiting for maybe to see an SMT as an SMT formed here. Then there was this fair value gap. You see the market just traded into it and just started to distribute to the upside. So when market retraced here, I waited for it to break this high before I thought of entering into the market. So yeah, I just entered the market and just completely reversed immediately. So yeah, I took a loss today. Yesterday, it is kind of break even. The other account still in drawdown, a lot of drawdown. If you see this trade, this might just wait me out and just start to continue to the upside. You see, if I show you the 4 hour, the 4 hour is just bullish. So yeah, today it was a high risk trade. I was not really anticipating anything much from it, but yeah, it ended up to be a loss. You see here the 4 hour how it has been distributing since yesterday's tariffs announcement by Trump. So in just a minute I'll just show you the accounts. So yeah, today was a loss. I don't think I will trade tomorrow. That's because of the NFP. Go again another time, which is next week. So yeah, let's see, starting to retrace. Let's just see what's going to happen. I will not re-enter the trade. So yeah, if I open my account back 1 point something percent, around 1.35 or 1.4% up. The other account a lot of drawdown. We'll see if we're going to recover this. This account I'm around -3% drawdown. This is not hard to recover. I can recover that. That's not much. So yeah, we'll go again another time. You have a nice weekend, guys. Peace.